Hi guys, Gerard here. Good morning guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how much I've made on YouTube so far, right? I have quite a number of channels. This is not the only channel I have. I'm going to be going into my AdSense back end to show you actually my YouTube revenue live. And one of the things I also want to do is that I want to take a tour around town, right? Around Easter I should be in Benin organizing a YouTube conference. Now what I want to do is to teach you guys how I make money from YouTube. Now YouTube is actually a very big resource for me. I've always heard that YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. After Google, it's YouTube, right? And a lot of persons will rather watch videos than actually read. That's the truth. Now when it comes to affiliate marketing, I promote a lot of products. I do clickbank. I promote independent affiliate products like Kickstarter, like Bluehost. Like, okay, I'm going to show you my revenue for those ones also. And one of the interesting thing is that a greater percentage of my conversion actually comes from YouTube. Yes, it comes from YouTube, and that is why I think YouTube is an interesting tool. And whenever I get a chance to talk to young people, I always tell them, everything you do, get on YouTube, right? Start a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter what you do. You see, I was talking to somebody last week, and the guy fixes ATM machines here in Nigeria. Yeah, he works with banks and other companies. I'm like, see, people want to know how ATM works, right? Start a YouTube channel around that, and you'll be amazed. Now there are a lot of things that's going to happen over time. People are going to listen to you. They're going to know that you're a force to be reckoned with in this regard, because that's what you always talk about, right? And they're also going to start coming to you instead of going to the company. He works for a company. I'm like, from here you can actually start your own brand, right? The guy was telling me what happens in the ATM when you put in your card, there are 1,001. I'm like, this is what people want to hear. This is what people want to know. So this is actually something that you can start and start making money on YouTube immediately. Now the interesting thing is that you can make money from ad revenue, which is what I'm going to be showing you, right? Then you can also promote affiliate products, right? Like for instance, on my channel, I've done a few reviews on Bluehost. Yeah. So for every person I get to sign up on Bluehost. That's $65 for me. And sometimes in a month I do about 10 persons, right? As small as my channel is right now, this channel is right now, I do about 10 persons in a month. You know, I like it when I get those emails. I'm going to be sharing those emails. I'm going to be showing you some of those emails in a while, where Bluehost tells you somebody just signed up with your link. You just paid, you just they put credit you $135, $65, depending on the package that the person actually does pay for, right? So that's one of the things I'm going to be showing you guys. So guys, let's jump right into my screen. But before that, yes, lest I forget, I'm going to be organizing a YouTube masterclass, right? Where we are going to start from the nitty-gritty to set up your YouTube account and show you how to rank your videos and everything. That's very important, because one of the challenges that people do have on YouTube is the fact that when you post a video, you see 6 views, 3 views, and you become demoralized, right? So I'm going to be teaching you guys in that seminar how you can actually optimize your your YouTube content for search. Now what I mean by this is this: when you post your video, there are certain things that you need to do even before you post the video. There are certain plannings that has to go into it, so that when somebody search for a particular keyword, like let's say for instance your video is about how to tie gele or how to knot a tie, right? Okay, yeah, let's use how to knot a tie, because that's something I always check out, because I'm not good with knotting ties, right? So I always watch videos on how to knot a tie. Then you do a video like that. Maybe there are 10,000 other videos that's competing for that keyword. How do you stay afloat? What do you do? There's certain indices that YouTube actually uses to rank these videos, and that is what I'm going to be teaching in this seminar. This seminar is going to happen in Benin first. So if you are interested in attending this seminar, right, I'm fixing the date around Easter, right? But I want to know how many persons that are interested. So the first link in the description of this video below, click it and it will take you to my Facebook group, right? Join that group, then I'll give further instructions there, and tell you guys how to actually get in touch with it. So if you're watching this video, please, and you are in Benin or you are in another state and you are interested in coming for that conference, please hit the hit the link, go to my group on Facebook and join that group. Once that is done, and I will give further instructions on how you can actually attend that seminar right there. It's on Webby Technology. That's where it'll be happening in Benin. That is Lagos Road, opposite Zenith Bank also. So I'm going to be sharing more information about it, and even the posters and everything on that Facebook group. So hit the link, guys, and get over there. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and bell notification button, because what I do on this channel is make videos about how to make money online. And most of the things I talk about are things that I've actually tried myself. So I try it works, then I come right here and tell you guys, this is how to do this, and this is how to win. My intention is for us to win together. So guys, let's jump right into my screen and let me show you how much I've actually made on YouTube revenue using AdSense, guys. Let's go. So guys, apart from, okay, here is my balance right now. This money I've made on YouTube is almost $1 million naira, almost $3,000, right? This is the money that I've actually made on, if you see, it's not coming from my blog, right? Although my blog is getting a lot of views and everything, but it's not coming from my blog. And to show you that this is real, I'm just going to hit refresh right here. I'm going to hit refresh. It's refreshing, and it's going to bring us right here, and this is it, right? Almost $3,000. This is from YouTube alone, from just one channel, right, on YouTube alone. So this is why I say that YouTube is very, very, very important. And this is just the YouTube ad revenue. Now, I get these emails. I promote a lot of independent affiliate products. So like Bluehost is one of them. So if I hit here right now, you're going to see this email from Bluehost that somebody, the owner of this website, actually bought his domain from Bluehost, and congrats, you have been credited $125 for your referral. So this person, I got $125 because he used my link, and the sign up was actually from YouTube. Yes, right? Because of a review I did on YouTube or something, and the person clicked on it and go back to YouTube and go back to Bluehost and bought, and I made this money from here. So this comes like every now and then. So if you check, you see another one, this one right here, let's look at this. For instance, LimitedDetect.com. You see 12 months, I got $65 for this one. And like it comes like this, like every time. So that's an interesting, and these conversions actually do come from YouTube. Like, right, you guys have seen ClickBank and everything. I've told you that 80 or 90% of my conversions, 80 or 90% of my conversions on ClickBank actually do come from YouTube. So it's important, right? It's important for you to have a YouTube channel. Take time and build it up, right? And that's what I'm going to be doing in this training that I talked about on Easter period, right? So I want to encourage you again to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, because what I do on this channel is take you by the hand, literally, and show you how to win, right? And I'm just going to be doing more of an interactive section where you actually, practical session rather, where you actually set up your account and we go through everything that you need to know. So I want to encourage you right now, go to the link in the description box of this video, hit the first link that will take you to my Facebook group, right, where I'll be sharing more information about this program, right? I'll be taking a pool to find a number of persons that are actually interested and in the city and coming, that I will fix a date that will suit everybody that wants to be a part of this program. So I want to make it like a democratic process per se. So that said, I want to encourage you again to hit subscribe button and bell notification button so that you get more updates as we go forward. And when I'm coming to your city, when I'm organizing, and if you have an event that you want me to speak in, like want me to come and talk to your people, about certain things, you have a group that you manage and stuff, also let me know in the comment section, or just go to my group and let me know in the group, and we can have the conversation about how to make that happen, right? Because my aim is for everybody to win, and I think the internet is the greatest invention of our time, which is why I'm winning on the internet, and I think everybody can win. There is space for everybody to win right here. That said, so I've shown you guys how much I've made on YouTube, which is this, on one channel alone, right? And I've also shown you guys how much how I make money on Bluehost also, right? And there are other independent affiliate marketing products that I also promote, I also promote, so I can also show you guys. If you're interested in, if you want that list, let me know in the comment section. I'd rather do a blog post about it or make a separate video about it, telling you guys how to. And then the guys that actually won, I'm still going to contact you. I promised a course in my last video, and I'm going to be giving out 2 free courses in my last video. So I'm going to be contacting those guys. I'll send you guys an email and send you the link to download those courses, right? I was actually trying to put it somewhere so you can download it easily. That's why it took this long. So if you are one of those guys that have commented on that channel, and I think there's still opportunity for others to win, so you can go back to my last video on Uplip, right? Watch the video and follow the instruction that I actually gave there, so that you can be part of the winners for the courses that I'm supposed to give to 50 persons. I think there's a lot less than 50, so there's still chance for you to actually win those courses also. So go back to that video, watch it to the very end, and do what you have to do. The instruction that I gave there explicitly, just get it on, so yeah, you can win, you can be part of the winners for those courses, guys. So that said, I want to thank you all for watching this video, and I want to encourage you to share this video with your friends. Give this video a like, and leave a comment in the comment section, guys. And if there's something that you don't understand, or don't want me to explain better, please let me know in the comment section, as I respond to my comments almost immediately. So thank you guys, and until I see you in my next video, I want to encourage you to keep taking the bull by the horn and keep winning.